Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Crystal. If you are new, welcome. Today, as you guys can see from the title, I will be showing you guys how I will do some cornrows on a TWA. So first things first, I'm going in with my blow dryer. She washed and conditioned her hair with shampoo, did a deep condition, and she detangled her hair in the shower. Now I'm going in with my blow dryer on cool, and I'm just blow drying her hair so it'll be easier for me to braid. Alright, so now that I have the hair slightly dry, slightly wet, I'm going in with my comb and I'm going to part it. I was going for a middle part, but you guys will see it clearly didn't go that way. But what I'm doing, I'm going to go in with a middle part and then I'm going to part the hair in sections. You guys can use clips or ponytails as you guys will see me use. And then you guys will see me go in and I'll start doing my braids from the ear and then work my way to the middle. Okay, so now you guys see me going in depth. I'm just working my way by making my part as clean as possible. And then you guys will see me go in and make like false parts and then try to see how many braids I'm going to do on this side. After you guys see me do that, then I'm going to go in with my edge control. I have, noticed that edge control has helped me do cornrows on any length hair. So if you're having a hard time, trust me, try edge control and that will allow you to braid some hair. Okay, so this is the edge control that I will be using for today's hairstyle. Honestly, you guys can put a little bit at the top and then put it along the part and then go back in with your comb and try to clean out your part to make sure it's neat as possible. But honestly, these braids going under a wig cap, so they gonna slide for today. Alright y'all, so I'm going to slow it down for y'all. So first things first, I'm going to go in with detangling the part. I'm going to start my way with the ends and then I'm going to work my way through the whole part. You guys will see me go in with the edge control. I'm just going to put it on the base of the hair to make sure her edges are out the way and I'm not braiding them back. And then you guys will see me go in with the comb to create like 3 little pieces to make sure that I'm braiding straight back. Alright, so now it's time to repeat the same steps. I'm going back in by detangling the braids, starting from the bottom, working my way up. And then you guys will see me, I'm gonna have a hard time trying to find a way how to braid her edges back, but not, inside where it's like pulling on her edges. But you guys can just watch and then see me finish up this hairstyle.
You hear me? It's Lil Bow Wow. You know.
Wait, I'm oiling her scalp with Jamaican black castor oil. Oh my god. And it's a thick oil. And when she wears this underneath her wig, she wouldn't have to, you know,
Right.
oil it as often.
Right. Listen, y'all, my hair is gonna grow to my body jaw. And it's gonna be so long. And you're gonna say, how your hair grow so long? I'm gonna say, you know, my friend Crystal. Alright. That's all my officer, Crystal.
And it's not too tight.
Not too tight. Nice and crisp. Get back here too, yes.
Y'all, and I told her go to African and braid her hair, but then
Me just love when Crystal do my hair, you know?
yeah, so that's it. I mean, it's not the neatest, but you
It's
know,
better than last time.
All right.
Hey, look, I know y'all see this hang time. Talk to me. You see this?
When did you cut your hair?
I cut my hair January.
Okay, so it's a good 7 months.
It's been a good 7 months.
7 months. And all she does is wear protective styles. So
All I do is wear wigs.
that's it. And she don't have no, you know how people who wear wigs got that line? She don't got that.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. Because we take it off at night.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.
See?
Like,
Yo.
subscribe, and share. Oh, sorry. Go on.
All right, go. You said right there.
Alright. Like, subscribe, and share. You know what it is. Kayla McEwen with my ear with Crystal, you know. Mesha Curlz. Blur it out.
I am.
Alright. My ear with Keisha.
Keisha.
Crystal. Mesha Curlz. You know where she come from. Alright. See? What you say? Yeah.